you for clicking on this video. Thank you for stopping by. Thank you for checking me out. Thank you very much. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and click on the subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up because this is a happy girl, trying to make a happy video. Actually, this is nothing serious, like nothing serious. If you haven't heard, there's some rumor going on in town at the moment. KARATZ EMPIRE is launching a branch business. It is called KARATZ Skin. It's a skincare brand. Actually, KARATZ Skin is releasing their first range of skincare products on the 12th of June. I just said, let me tell you guys, y'all should, check the first link in the description and check out their Instagram page. I know you're going to be happy that you did, so thank me later. Now let me introduce myself. Hi, my name is Melody, CEO KARATZ EMPIRE, CEO KARATZ Skin. Yay! I know, right? Guys, how are you all doing? This is a all over the place video. I don't know if that makes any sense, but then yeah, that is what it is. It is what it is, okay? So like you guys know, I've been sounding on this channel. I'm releasing my skincare brand. I'm launching my skincare brand on the 12th of June, which happens to be my birthday. Ew. Birthday girl is just happy. I'm excited. I am really, really excited. And I also mentioned that I'll be giving away some skincare products from my brand, from my collection. So yeah, it's up for grabs for free, like absolutely free. I'm going to be doing a giveaway for those skincare products. So if you want to win one of that, go ahead and follow me on Instagram. I'm telling you this secret because you're my G, you're my power. You get okay. All right, so that aside, what do I want to say? Basically, I feel like I should turn this into a gratitude video because I do not have content for today. Honestly, in all honesty, I'm just being honest with you guys. I don't have content for today, but then I was like, nah, I really want to say something to you guys. And the weather looks good. Yeah, the weather looks good. Everything is just chill and fine. And I really wanted to say something to you guys. And that's why I came on here, just talk to you guys and like let you know that I'm in a place where I feel like I'm more grateful than I've ever been. And it's not like the best of things are happening in my life right now because I know that I've had times, if I would say so, I've had times that are better, that have been good. Like I have smiled at the situations because I was genuinely happy, But then, like I said, this is not my best time yet, but I feel like I am more relaxed. I feel like I've mastered the art of relaxing, and it's just giving off like a better vibe than I've ever had. Like I don't know if you get it, and I don't know if it's my birthday. Normally, I wouldn't feel this excited, like because what is there to be excited about? But then when you look at it, when you run now, you just know that life itself is enough to be grateful for, and I don't have to have everything. Like in real sense, what's the definition of everything? I don't know. But you don't need to have everything before you're grateful, for the little that you have. And this is me saying I'm very grateful to God and to my 51 subscribers. I'm very grateful, and to my hundreds of views. Even though I can't really pinpoint why you guys that are watching my videos are not subscribing, but let's just leave that aside. I'm grateful. I'm letting go of the things that haven't happened, and I'm grateful for the things that have been happening with me. I'm grateful for all the things that have been happening in my life, and it's just overwhelming at this point because God has been coming through for me, and I just feel like it is my best moment yet. Like because I am so full of gratitude, and you guys should keep supporting me, keep watching my videos, subscribe, share this video to your friends, in your WhatsApp group. You guys should gossip about me a little so that I'll gain the subscribers. I don't know what you guys want me to do to be worthy of being gossiped. Well, I'm not saying you should gossip, please don't.